Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to knit this stitch. It's actually one of my favorite textured stitches and I've used it in one of my knitting patterns. This stitch is worked over a 12 row repeat plus a base row that we only knit once. So let's get started. For this stitch you'll need to cast on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 1. And I also like to add 2 extra stitches for edge stitches. As you can see, I'm using 2 needles for the cast on. I really recommend doing this for this stitch because we'll be knitting multiple times into the same stitch to create increases. We'll start with the base row, which is knitted just one time. So first stitch is edge stitch, knit through the back loop, and then purl 1, and we'll start the repeat. So make 5 into 1, so knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit into one stitch. And then purl 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the repeat. Make 5 into 1 and then purl 3. Let's do it one more time. So knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit into one stitch. And then purl 3, 2, 3. And last stitch is edge stitch, knit. Row 1, wrong side, edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise and start the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 5. Once again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And knit 1. Edge stitch is slip purlwise. Row 2, edge stitch, knit through the back loop and then purl 1 and start the repeat. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the repeat. Knit 5, purl 3. One more time. Knit 5, and purl 3. 1, 2, and 3. Repeat to the end of the row. And for the edge stitch, knit 1. Row 3, edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise, and then start the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 5. Once again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the last stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise. Row 4, edge stitch, knit through the back loop, then purl 1, and start the repeat. SSK, slip 2 stitches, knit twice, 1, 2, and then knit them through the back loop. Then knit 1 stitch and knit 2 stitches together. And purl 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the repeat. SSK, then knit 1, then knit 2 together, and then purl 3. One more time, slip 2 stitches, knit twice, 1, 2, and knit them together through the back loop. Then knit 1 stitch and knit 2 stitches together. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3. And for the edge stitch, knit 1. Row 5, edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise, and start the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 3. One more time. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. And for the last stitch, knit 1. Edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise. Row 6, edge stitch, knit through the back loop, and then purl 1, and now start the repeat. Slip 1 stitch knitwise, then knit 2 stitches together, and pass the slip stitch over. As you can see, we now closed the teardrop. Then purl 1, knit 5 into 1, so knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit into 1 stitch, and then purl 1. So that's our repeat. Slip 1 knit twice, then knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over, purl 1, make 5 into 1, and purl 1. So once again, slip 1 stitch knitwise, then knit 2 stitches together, pass the slipped stitch over, purl 1, make 5 into 1, knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit, and then purl 1 stitch. And for the edge stitch, knit 1. Row 7, edge stitch, slip the first stitch purlwise, and then knit 1 and start the repeat. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the repeat, purl 5 and knit 3. One more time, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and knit 3, 1, 2, and 3. And for the edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise. Row 8, edge stitch, knit through the back loop, and then start the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the repeat, purl 3 and knit 5. Once again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the last stitch, purl 1 and edge stitch, knit. Row 9, edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise, and then knit 1 and start the repeat. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the repeat, purl 5 and knit 3. One more time, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. And for edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise. Row 10, edge stitch, knit through the back loop, and start the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, then SSK, slip 2 stitches knitwise, 1, 2, and knit them through the back loop. Then knit 1 stitch and knit 2 stitches together. That's the repeat, purl 3, then SSK, knit 1 and knit 2 stitches together. One more time, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, then slip 1, slip 2, knit through the back loop, knit 1 and knit 2 stitches together. And purl the last stitch. Edge stitch, knit 1. Row 11, edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise, then knit 1 and start the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat, purl 3, knit 3. So once again, purl 1, 2, 3, and knit 1, 2, and 3. For the edge stitch, slip 1 purlwise. Last row, row 12, edge stitch, knit through the back loop, and then purl 1 and start the repeat. Make 5 stitches into one, so knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit into one stitch, then purl one, slip one stitch knitwise, knit 2 stitches together, pass the slipped stitch over, and purl one. That's the repeat. Make 5 into one, purl one, slip one stitch, knit 2 stitches together, pass slip stitch over, and purl one. Once again, make 5 into one, knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit into one stitch, then purl, slip one stitch knitwise, knit 2 stitches together, pass the slipped stitch over, and purl one. And for the edge stitch, knit 1. To bind off this pattern, end with row 6 or row 12, omitting these increases. And that's the finished stitch. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is actually my first tutorial this long, so if you have any feedback, I would really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next one.